Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Tango. Ngozi, Mr. Minister. Ngozi Tata, Mr. President, Mr. Mark Alexandra, the cabinet, and obviously our CEO, and obviously the players. I'm honestly, I'm lost of words, but yeah, on what you said now on the leadership, I must be honest. This whole group is full of leaders, and I think honestly I only play a small part, and there's no ways I could achieve what I achieved without the guys with me. The experienced guys like Dwayne, Ewan, Andre, all of these guys have helped me in the leadership part. And yeah, on behalf of the team, we just want to say thank you to the cabinet, Mr. President, for your support. It really, we could feel for you to come all the way to come and see the team and give us a few words. It was special to us and the team. And most importantly, the people of South Africa. Yeah, we as a team, we chose to dedicate this World Cup to you, because you are the reason we are where we are today. The way that you don't give up, your resilient spirit, how hard you work, and the things that you must go through to be where you are in life. Honestly, the other countries can't understand. So your support really kept us going. And also we are very diverse, just like you are outside there. And we just wanted to show that diversity is our strength in South Africa. And to encourage Mr. President and the cabinet, we need to use our diversity a bit more. I think it's a powerful force that a lot of countries don't have, that we have, that we can use very brightly, because I think coming from different backgrounds and different areas, we all see different challenges and we see life differently. And the more we share towards South Africa, the more we put South Africa first, and we work for South Africa, and everything that I do is focused on that. And that's what we did as a group of players. And we did it by playing rugby. It's very easy, but I believe you can use that amongst the country itself, and obviously with everybody else that you work with in Parliament. So we just want to be the servants of South Africa as we were, and our serving is playing rugby and being as best ambassadors as we can. And yeah, we thank you. We thank you for your support. We thank you for your love. We hope you enjoyed this, and we hope these celebrations and this trophy doesn't end this week, that this unity that we see is going forward. So thank you. We appreciate you, and we see a lot of people at work, which is great. Thank you.